Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today, something that we need to fix on the car. Hopefully we can fix it, but it's been bothering me for the last 2 weeks. And also the guys, today I am installing something new for the Civic because all this rain that's coming down, it really needs it on the car right now, and it surely will help out. So let's get started with today's video. But first time we gotta get this fixed first. All right guys, I'm gonna show you my biggest dilemma right now, my biggest problem with the Civic. As you can see, I have codes that are staying on right now while I'm driving, and that is a big issue because I don't know what is going on. ABS that is on, VSA that is on, check hill start that is on, TPMS that is on, and some odd reason that the power steering code pops up last, but it's gonna come. There it is right there. So yes, those are the codes that keep staying on in my car while I'm driving. Like, I've tried everything. I've with the forums tried this, actually I bought a new fuse and that didn't work at all. So I have one more thing up my sleeve. It might work, it may not work, but we're gonna find out. The last thing I have watched was the battery, like recharge the battery up, and I don't know. I just don't know, because usually when you have codes on your car, you can just unhook the battery and everything like that, and all the codes will wipe away, but not in this 9th gen Civic. I don't know what Honda has up their sleeve this time, but no, you can do all that, reset everything, and put everything back together, and the codes will still be there. So I'm kind of skeptical, like what's going on, how can I fix the codes? I do not want to go to the dealership because they will charge you an arm and a leg, like literally an arm and a leg to replace everything. I don't have time for that. So the last thing I watched on YouTube was a battery charge. Like, if you charge up your battery, if your battery's dying, these codes will pop up. So hopefully that might be the answer, but I really do not know. That can be like that one-time thing for that car, or it could be correct. So I'm gonna head out to my local parts store, AutoZone, and see what is the battery life on the car. If it's dying on me, if that might be a code to let me know that my car is dying, the battery's getting low, so you need to replace it. If not, I don't know. I guess I gotta take it to the dealership and see what type of price they're gonna charge me to fix some 4 simple codes. But I don't know yet, but we're gonna head to AutoZone and see what's going on. Then we'll come back and then we will install the mod that we need to install, because it's been raining lately and this mod needs to go in the car ASAP, and it will help out a lot. So let's take care of that first, then we'll come back. All right. Boys, we are here. Hopefully fix my problem. Well boys, that wasn't the issue. So off to the dealership, but not today. So I'm probably just gonna wait when I get my oil change, just take it up there so they can look at the codes and diagnostic and tell me what is going on. Well, I basically tried everything that I seen on YouTube and it doesn't work. So I am not the lucky contestant today, and I figured out the problem. But we're gonna head back home right now and we're gonna install the new mod for the car. So let's go. Jeez. Have it focus for me. That's a nice SI. I like the orange. One thing I need is that front lip. It's hard to see in this video, but that front lip is definitely what I need. But it's coming very soon. Very soon. Like I said before, guys, I like to drive. Did I say that? I don't know. But today we're installing window visors on the car, on the Civic, because sometimes I like to drive while it's raining. Just get some of that natural breeze, because I like to turn the AC on all the time. So I didn't have some of that natural air coming in while I drive down the road. But today that's gonna change. There's all of these on my car today, so that's gonna change. So I can drive down the road slightly with the window down. So yes guys, I'm installing these today on the Civic, and also guys, we're installing a back lip on the Civic, just a little bit more style, and it's, oh man, Yeah, I said it, carbon. So let's get started. First off, before we start, this is by OEM Visors, guys. I have everything in the description below. But yes, guys, this is what we start on today. So let's get ready to install these and see how the set will look after. All right. So this is how it will look once it gets done. Right now I just did a little test run. But we're gonna let this sit for about 3 days. This is the carbon back lip that will be installed right here. So I have some directions with me. It's a 1 through 12 process. So basically I have to leave this on for 24 to 48 hours with masking tape. So I have masking tape right here. But the first thing I want us to do is rub it down with a microfiber towel, then go back over it with some rubbing alcohol so you get all the dirt and extra debris off. But let's get started with this, guys, because I'm very eager to see how this looks. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rub everything down, then I'm gonna try to center this as best way I can, and I'm gonna start masking up. Then after we start masking up, we're gonna start pulling it off and keep the masking tape on there so we can get that firm, nice grip so it can stay on there with 24 to 48 hours, then we can take it off. So let's go. All right, guys, so the battery did die, but it is on there. So I got all the masking tape that I could mask, and once you do pull it out to wrap it and everything, it's going to have a little bend to it. Let the heat get to it at first, let it sit out, and then get back to its normal structure. But as you can see now, I got all this masking tape on it to get it stick down. So when I take it off in 24 48 hours, I don't know, I'm gonna wait 24 or 48 hours. Maybe just do the whole 24 hours. I don't know about the 48, but right now, guys, it looks good. It's sticking well. Nothing's coming off. So I want a nice grip to the car. This is all about style. Nothing much. It's not gonna protect you from rain and like that, like the window visors. But this is just for a little style. Little style, guys. But yes, guys, that is installed. I cannot wait to show you guys once all the tape is off. But yes, that is it. So I did that. Installed the window visors, and that is it.